What is up, my crypto legends? Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Let's analyze the situation here for Bitcoin. We're getting the DXY having a major drop at the moment, and BTC is pumping. Also, stock market S&P is pumping. We were very much looking for that scenario on yesterday's live stream. Before I go through the Bitcoin price and go through the content, guys, you know what I want you to do. And that is to smash up the like button, guys. So make sure to smash up the like button right away. And yeah, guys, let's go straight through the content. I'm going to go through the comment section just to see who is here in just the next coming minutes. BTC pumping, hitting 19,600. Are we going to get rejected, guys? There's so many different levels I want to talk about today. We are basically hitting a daily level right now. We just touched it to the exact dollar, and now we're kind of trying to break through. We've had two failed breakouts here. One right over here, one right over here. We're having this third attempt to break out. Let's see how the daily close is going to be. Let's see if we do get a reaction at this major resistance zone. So many things to talk about right now in this live stream, guys, about Bitcoin, about DXY. We can take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum just facing the $1,400 range. It does look like that finally we are going to see that pumpy action. We are potentially going to see a move to the upside. There is something extremely bullish about Ethereum that I want to talk about. I am in no trade on Ethereum. I closed the trade, but I was in those longs and should have stayed with a long position on Ethereum. But overall, I am trading Bitcoin, of course. We want to focus on DXY and the S&P 500. DXY kind of breaking this, this higher low level. Now, this is going to be an extreme level. We're just about hitting the 618. Is the DXY? No, we're actually hitting the 78. So it did manage to break down here. Are we going to look for continuation to the downside or a double bottom scenario? I'm not going to get bearish on the DXY extremely until we break this last higher low range, but with a massive candlestick to the downside for a potential new downtrend. Okay, overall, anything above this level is still a higher low in my personal opinion, despite we did break the support trend line. Yeah, we're going to go through many different things, guys. We're going to go through what we talked on yesterday's video, this pump all the way up to this range over here is very much expected. We're talking about the Gartley pattern yesterday, getting the bounce here from the 19,170 range, okay? And yeah, it cannot get any better than that. If you take a look at yesterday's live stream, we were talking about the this major level getting a bounce, okay, potentially hitting the 618, hitting the C point, and the take profit 3 being the A point where we're actually hitting right now at this $19,600 range. Yeah, to have that movement to the upside, and that D point is hitting the point of control. So it's a little bit risky as we are, in a downtrend. We haven't managed to break basically looking for lower high range. That bounce at the 19,200, below $19,200 range, okay? Talking about, that potential level being hit, 19,400, and then the take profit 2, which is the $19,600 range. Hey, this, was playing out pretty nicely. We talked about yesterday, second potential entry, because while I was doing the live stream yesterday, we were trading at that level. We were trading exactly here, at the 19,260, 230 approximately, just a few minutes after, we were hitting the 618 level. This was an entry point, right? If we take a look at the extreme lower time frames, 5 minute, 15 minute, and what we were talking about was, this scenario right over here. Obviously, this is a take profit too, guys, if you haven't been taking profits. If you did manage to long this, we already had a take profit range because this is massive resistance where we're hitting right now. So yeah, let me just give me just a couple of minutes here, because I think we can go higher. There is a possibility in going higher here, and we can go through that in just 1 second, but it is facing resistance. So if you're on any long trades from down here, like we talked about on yesterday's live stream, hey, make sure to pay yourself, right? Protect position. This cannot turn into a losing trade, of course. Yeah, let me just go through that scenario here in just 1 second, because we were talking about, you know, the possibility in coming down to the 618 range. On some exchanges, we came down to the 618. If we take a look at the USDT perpetual, it actually came down to the 618. I want to take a look at it on Bybit. Binance. I can't remember what exchange we looked at. I looked at yesterday that it was hitting the 618. We can see here almost hitting the 618. So when we were trading yesterday, we were at this range, and there was, you know, either two possibilities: coming to test the lows or the 618 level, you know, for that potential bounce. Yeah, it basically played out pretty nicely. Of course, I was already in that long position. But as you can see here, you know, let's just go through the scenario that we talked about yesterday, guys. Super important for me. You know, go through what happened yesterday. You know, you cannot make this up. This is recorded from yesterday's live stream, you know, looking for that leg up, this $19,200 range to hold and get that move up, guys. It was just, yeah, likely to happen. Overall, Bitcoin's looking like a beast at this moment. Massive uptrend. A little bit of a sign of a little consolidation at this 19,500 so far. Still trying to push up. Let's see how we're going to face this level. Hey, a swing failure from this high would be absolutely an insane shorting level. Okay, so we might be able to short this live today. Okay, let's see how we react, how we hit that level. But yeah, before we go through the content, you know, yesterday, come on, guys. Talking about this point of control, getting that bounce, you know, whoever says technical analysis does not work and this is just pure luck. Hey, I've been having a few weeks of pure luck then. I'll tell you that. I mean, I've been having some massive two couple of weeks. And yeah, we know yesterday we were very much aware of this level being massive point of control and beautiful Gartley pattern, you know, adding confluence right there into the 618 rate to the 382 down to the 7-8 level. I mean, come on. It just take profit 1, 618, C point, A point. There you have it, guys. I mean, it cannot, technical analysis, it can't get any better than that, guys. It can't get any better than that. So let me know in the comment section who traded this. Who traded this long range at the 19,200? Hey, if you did, I know I did. Still in some long position. I actually closed some position, added, and you know, I'm kind of laddering in, laddering out. So yeah, absolutely phenomenal. Super happy with this long trade at this level, like I showed on yesterday's live stream. Now you might think, oh, I missed that trade. Okay, so what? That was yesterday. Let's take a look at what is going to happen today. Well, we're going to go through that in just 1 second, guys. You need to smash up that like button right away, guys, because come on, smash it up. Smash it up. We're almost 400 people watching the live stream. I need you to destroy the like button right away for this content, guys. Come on, don't tell me that this was not a pretty nice move to the upside from yesterday's live stream. Check out yesterday's live stream. I do see a lot of people leaving the chat. You know, this is boring. This is, hey, if you paid attention yesterday, you know, for the price action to go to the upside. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people leaving the live stream. Hey, if you pay attention on the potential scenarios, we're actually crushing it, guys. We're crushing it. I've had 2 weeks of yeah, pure luck, right? Pure luck. Yeah, no, it's pure technical analysis with good risk management. This trade is already, you know, risk to reward wise, you know, it's just absolutely insane. Yeah, I mean, you can see it's over 2-to-1, 3-to-1 risk to reward. It's probably going to go higher. So, yeah. Anyway, BTC pump or dump, Andy? Well, we are going to analyze the situation. Right now, we're going to start facing a major resistance zone. It's this daily level. If we start getting that volatility at this range. Yesterday was pump, of course. Yesterday, we were talking about Bitcoin pump from this level. We are pumping. Now, let's see how we're going to face these highs. If I just go to the daily chart, this is a major daily level. It's just, you know, we haven't managed to break above this daily zone here successfully, all right, for the last few weeks. We can see, you know, that daily level right there. As you can see, 1, 2, we are attempting to break out from it right now, guys. This does look pretty good. Let's see if this daily candle is going to manage to close well above 19,600. So far, it's not looking bad. Next major resistance zone is this daily level. I don't know why I haven't got this daily level marked up, but I'm going to mark it right away, right over here. So, yeah, it doesn't look bad for that leg up, guys. 20,300, 400 could be on the way in the next coming days if, you know, we are going to see still this momentum continue. Let's take a look at the comment section right away. Volume is okay. It's not huge. It's not massive, but yeah, it's enough volume to be happy with for continuation. Will I jump in a short here? Absolutely not. Will I jump in a short as soon as we have this high being hit and having the volatility at this range? Yeah, potentially, very likely, guys. So, you know, this can change very fast. I'm bullish on this pump. I will be bearish if we do not manage to get above here successfully the 19,700 and creating that exhaustion momentum, swing failure, you know, whatever, exhaustion, whatever you like to call it. You know, we'll be jumping in a short position if I do see that exhaustion. We break straight through. Hey, I'm happy to hold some of my long position open. We broke out of the short-term triangle to the upside, but there is a macro triangle since June and we haven't broken out that yet, but we will see an explosive move in the market this week or next week. Yeah, potentially it is now. There is a scenario also here for Ethereum. There's a massive bump and run scenario here, guys. I mean, we can get this stuff out of the way because this is old analysis. Ascending wedge and stuff like that. Major levels here. Yeah, there's basically a bump and run scenario here that can play out for Ethereum if it does manage to break out nicely from the lower high trend line here. Whoever's not aware of a bump and run scenario, then I will show you right now. I mean, there's so different, many potential patterns that can play out. Overall, I am looking for Ethereum at least to hit the 618 from the high to the low. Okay, this would be the Gartley pattern. All right, bullish Gartley pattern. It is playing out at the end of the day. You know, it got so boring that I just thought, you know, I'm just not even going to trade this. But overall, this was a perfect bottom at the $1,200 range. Yeah, I mean, there's so much money to be made on the market by doing, you know, technical analysis. It's absolutely crazy. So anyway, bump and run scenario also, you know, there is a possibility. Let's not get too excited with this, okay? Let's not get too excited with Ethereum, Bitcoin markets pumping, okay? Because you know the deal. It might reverse faster than we think. I just want to see how we hit these major resistance levels on Bitcoin. Also, how we're going to hit on the S&P 500, on the DXY. So many factors to take into consideration with the technical analysis on Bitcoin. But overall, you know, there is a possibility on bump and run scenario, like I'm showing you right over here, right? Where you do create these lower highs, very aggressive, you know, kind of a big drop, sideways action, start facing the lower high resistance. It's going to be looking pretty good if we do have a pretty nice leg up. Obviously, we are going to face resistance on, you know, on our way up here. You know, we got the 618, which is exactly also with this, you know, level that's been respected, the 1,000, you know, 550, 600 range. You know, where we did manage to get a lot of resistance and a lot of support. So this level is important on Ethereum. You can see that nice consolidation also here from the 13th to the 15th of September. It's a major level. So overall, I do think it is possible. Let's not get too excited. Still at resistance zone here. The 1,400 is still major resistance. It is getting above the value area high from this zone, okay? So it's got a chance. It does have a chance. We got the consolidation on yesterday's live stream, you know. If anything, it was a potential short, but I'm not going to short it because I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I do see bullish momentum on the S&P 500. So, you know, will I short if I'm bullish on Bitcoin and S&P in the short term? No, absolutely not. So there will be a moment that you are going to break out from the value area high here or the value area low. And yeah, it looks like that the value area high is being broken. If we start closing 4 hourly, daily candle above this level, it is going to be looking pretty good for an attempt to go higher, guys. Not going to lie. Let's see. We'll have to take a look at Bitcoin and rest of the markets. Let's go pump. Dutch. Racing Pixel, thanks for joining the live stream. You're the man. Thank you very much for joining. Always giving me insane support. Mark Dutch also here. I can see him in the comment section. I'm going to try and go quickly through a lot of comments. But Miriam says, Bybit not accepting customers of USA, even any person if opens account and use VPN of location USA and during trade stopped or cut connection, maybe account trader be blocked. I know the US has a lot of restrictions with different other platforms. VPN is not a solution. Well, yeah, maybe a decentralized VPN, but I cannot give any advice. You know, if there's restriction in your country, then yeah, you have to find a way. I think PrimeXBT, some other exchanges are not available in the US. I know some people can do it, but you know, this is not information that I can give you, of course. I expect heavy pump on BTC tonight. It will break $19,600 soon, says GamePro. Hey. Good. I'm longing 50x. Phenomenal, Raf. Thank you, Andy, for yesterday's call, says Blazed 00420. Woo! Absolutely phenomenal, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. Makes me so happy. Hey, last few weeks have been absolutely crazy. 15th here. You know, I'm not going to say we because there's no financial advice here, but you can take a look at the videos. You know, as far as I remember, you know, this was a news event, a lot of volatility. The only long position was on Ethereum. But on Bitcoin, you know, hey, it was long in this range, 14th, 15th, 16th of October, looking for those longs. Bang, we had it. Hitting the 618, consolidation, you know, swing failure from this high. Looking for short. Bang, absolutely phenomenal. We got, you know, 2 banging trades here in just a couple of days. Looking also, you know, I was a bit bearish here at this level because of the lower highs. But of course, we did get a massive swing failure from this low. It was time to long. It was time to long at this range. Bang, bang, bang. Beautiful long at this range. And then, of course, we did get that pump. Took most of profits here. Got a rejection from this resistance level, and then we had yesterday, hey, a nice beautiful Gartley pattern hitting the D point at an insane support. I mean, technical analysis cannot get any better than this, guys. It cannot get any better. Absolutely phenomenal. Anyway, your voice glitch. Okay, it's probably because of the internet connection. Let me just check out the internet. It seems like, yeah, I've got just... It seems like it's okay. It's not huge, but it's okay. Let me go through the comments section. I did as spot, says he. Hello. Well, yeah, with a little bit of leverage, yeah, you can make some pretty nice gains on this move. In a long since 19,288. Matthew, absolutely phenomenal. I had a lower entry, but I, you know, took profits. I added to position. You know, I'm kind of, it did move a little bit higher. I had a lower entry, but, you know, was taking profits, adding to position again, protecting, you know, kind of laddering up here, protecting and taking profits, right? Bang, bang, bang. So absolutely, absolutely phenomenal. I do see some people actually longing Bitcoin from yesterday's technical analysis. Spot on, guys. Spot on. I've had an insane couple of weeks trading. Absolutely insane. Phenomenal. This content has to be insanely valuable. Smash up that like button, guys. Come on. I know I did get some comments saying, hey, I'm not going to smash up the like button because I don't want the algorithm to distribute this video worldwide because it's absolutely gold in the content that I'm giving here with the technical analysis. So yeah, I do get that part. But you know, this is not always going to be, I have to say it, it's not always going to be free. I'm going to create a private Discord group to make a small community. And yeah, we are basically looking for massive opportunities. Mainly on Bitcoin. So anyway, I can't wait. Sound is choppy. Wow, my altcoins are rising like Superman, says Huffy. Absolutely phenomenal. $105 DXY for sure. Maybe. To the moon. Well, let's not get too excited yet. Bro, is it going to break? I got some comments here. Yeah, I mean, I want to take a look at some cryptos. This is what I am eyeing right now, guys. You know, this huge daily level. We are above this daily level right now. It's above the daily level. If we close the daily level below this daily level, basically, which is exactly at $19,536, it's not going to be looking good. Potential big rejection to come down to test the daily level again. Oh, well, we got a new daily level here, which is at $19,316. So yeah, that's another daily level. You know, if it does reject from this range, back down to 19,300 and maybe even lower. I mean, it's at a critical zone. Most importantly, to continue bullish in the next coming days is have a big daily close. This is not enough. This is not a huge daily close. I want to see it, you know, potentially at 19,800, somewhere around that range, you know, another $150 pump. And yeah, then it's on. Then game is on to go to higher levels in the next coming days, potentially, if we are going to see the S&P 500 and the DXY behave, of course. So go through the comment section right away. I entered along at 19,320, says Pedro. Well, that was a little bit late, but overall, yeah, you are in profit. So, you know, this is the thing. I am trying to get in at the lowest point possible here in these trades, so I can have a good risk management. I can have some good invalidation points. You know, well, add to my position. I was willing to add to the position if the lows were going to be retested and the stop loss below this low. But overall, to have a massive good risk management, you know. So, yeah, 19,320 was a little late. But overall, what do we have here? I feel like taking this trend line out of the way because it's just getting on my nerves right now. I'm just going to get it out. Overall, we had an inverse head and shoulder also. This price action on Bitcoin, you know. I mean, this is it. This is insanely bullish price action. Inverse head and shoulder scenario with a descending lower high neckline, right? You got this move. You got this move. You got this move. What does this look like? Obviously, an inverse head and shoulder looking at the 15-minute. Where's the projected move? A projected move has been met. I think we're probably there at the exact dollar. So you got this inverse head and shoulder scenario also giving you that projected move. Bang. Where are we stopping? Exactly at that level. Seen this play out so many times. You also got the bullish Gartley pattern right there. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. It was a must long here. Whoever longed, absolutely phenomenal. No, this pumping, it's fake. Yeah, fake pump, maybe. Very, who cares? I'm going to long the fake pump, right? This is many comments that I do get also. You know, hey, it's a trap. Well, I'm longing the trap and I'm taking profits. So who cares if it's a trap or not? You know, I'm protected. I'm taking profits. So yeah, bring it on. Bring those fake pumps and those fake dumps because I will long them and short them. Like I said, for my next major short, I would, ideally like to see a swing failure from this high. That would be the ideal scenario. Get that liquidity above $19,600, $700 range. Get that liquidity. Then we can short it. So yeah, there's a lot of people going to be shorting right now. For me, this is not a shorting level. Just like this was not a longing level, this was starting to be a longing level right there. Why is this not a shorting level for me? Because I know a lot of people are shorting right now. A lot of people are going to jump into shorts with a lot of leverage. What's going to happen? Whoop, they're going to likely get wicked out, and then the price is going to come down. So I'm looking for that. I'm looking for that reaction. There will be time to jump into a short, or maybe not. Maybe it's going to do this. But overall, I'm playing the safe game. I'm playing to have 80%, 85% win rate at the end of the month. I will miss a lot of trades, but most of the trades will be in profit because I'm patient. I'm waiting for a reaction. I think we are going down to 20,200, 300, Pedro. Maybe. Oh, up. Sorry, we are going at least to 20,200, 20,300. Maybe. I want to see how we break out from this zone. I want to see how we're going to manage to break from this resistance level. I want to take a look at some altcoins because, there was some altcoins I did wanted to place a long on. Oh, Algorand. Wow. I was looking for a long position on Algorand and didn't take it. Never mind. Down here at the 30-cent level, it's 33 cents right now. It's up 10%. Oh, damn. Yeah, was looking for an Algorand long here. Anyway, never mind. Did not take it. I'm happy with trading Bitcoin. You could not trade everything. Bulls are back. Yeah, for the moment. Let's not get too excited. Keep your emotions. Let's not be moon boys just yet. Damn, Algorand. Oh, really pissed off of this. Really pissed off. This could be easily a nice bottom on Algorand. We were talking about this ABC correction on Algorand, and Algorand is an insane project. I need to buy some Algorand for my hodl position. DXY is going to the moon soon, says David. ES1 dead at 3,900. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. For the moment, it's pumping 3,900. It will be dead. Hey, there's a pretty nice scenario. I think, 3,900, even 4,000. We talked about this yesterday. That would be the 618 from the major drop. Look at how the S&P 500 has been hitting the 618 since the all-time high. If we take a look at the all-time high here for this low, look at this. Right there, bang, bang, 618. This one's probably not going to... Yeah, this one's 618 also. So we got this high, all-time high on S&P. From this high to this low, 618. To perfection, correction. We got a new low. 618 right there, a little bit high, almost hitting the 78. What else? We got this high to this low over here. Bang, 618. High to low, 618. So what I am expecting here, if this low has hold nicely, 3,900, even 4,000, 3,914 points is going to get some resistance. We talked about the 50% also getting a major resistance because it's 50% fib level. And wow, look at this. It's just a big resistance on the S&P. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if getting a massive rejection at 3,900 points. We've got massive support, resistance, support, support right there, finally breaking. So we are going to start facing at the 3,900 a lot of resistance. Overall, looking for that leg up. The last couple of days, on S&P. This is why I was slightly bullish on Bitcoin yesterday, because S&P 500, you know, this kind of price action was likely to get that leg up. It was just very, very likely. We were trading exactly at this level and saying, you know, this is likely to break up, not get rejected with this kind of price action. So anyway, let's Andy, you are a crypto legend, says Dutch BTC fan. Could be an inverse head and shoulder on BTC. Also inverse head and shoulder, I think this was the one that I just talked about right now. Right? It was inverse head and shoulder with a descending neckline. Beautiful. Everything was pointing out, guys. Everything was pointing here that we were likely going to get a pump to hit this high and even hit this high. Take profit, last take profit has been hit, guys. This is a huge daily level zone where the price has attempted multiple times to break it. Okay, massive rejection can come, guys. We need to be extremely cautious. Don't get too greedy with these longs. Take profits, guys. Take profits and protect position if you did long that. Obviously, I'm not telling you to long. No, I never say what you need to do, but I'm just saying that what I am doing. So if you long that from this range yesterday, hey, make sure to pay yourself. And we talked about, you know, the potential 2.5% pump. Absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, what is the next trading scenario? Well, in between now and the daily close, I am very much interested to see how we are going to attempt here at this $19,600, $700 range, guys. It's a huge resistance level. What do we like to do at resistance? We like to short. Andy, are you going to short now? No. Like I always say, you know, and on these attempts, on the higher time frames, you know, 1 hourly, 15 minute, 1 hourly, 4 hourly, I want to see how we're going to hit this level. I want to see that, you know, potential exhaustion. Are we going to create a swing failure? Are we just by tonight going to just about close, you know, at this range? Overall, I am looking for shorts. I'm taking profits from my long, and I am potentially looking for shorts. Not yet. I got Hopi saying, is there any news why this pump is happening, or is it inside trading with knowledge? Well, I mean, yesterday was very much expecting that pump even to hit the 19,600. You know, that was the take profit 2. Take profit 3, sorry. You know, who knows? But overall, I've had some massive 2 weeks, guys. If you take a look at the videos, live streams from the last 2 weeks, I mean, the only thing I was kind of a little bit wrong was this pump over here. I was expecting some resistance at 19,400. We pumped all the way up to this high. It was also expected on the live stream here from the 23rd. But yeah, I mean, we didn't get the resistance. We went straight through. Did I short here? No, because I'm waiting for that consolidation reaction. But you can take a look from the 15th of October. Calls have been absolutely insane, guys. You know, whoever's an old subscriber can say absolutely, you know, this is true. This guy is not lying. You can take a look at the videos. Longing from this range, shorting from this range, longing from here. This was still not a good level because we were potentially looking for that leg down as we were creating lower highs aggressively, and we were testing for the second time this level. So that move down was likely. Of course, what happened after the leg down? Hey, this is not successfully breaking down and the recovery is insane. I'm longing. So yeah, absolutely crazy. Crazy. We're also very much expecting that pump from this level here on the 23rd of October. Expecting this pump, but expecting a little bit of rejection here at the 19,400. I mean, this was the only kind of mistaken resistance, but it just went straight through. I mean, this is also resistance right now, but it can go straight through. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3 tests. You know, we know that at some point resistance and support will get broken. the way that I am going to detect this for a short is on how we are going to react at this level, you know, the next coming hours before the daily close. So yeah. Bend over. We've got Seb. Welcome to community. Seb, thanks for joining the live stream. Bend over. I've got Racing Pixel. Mark Dutch was here also. Let's go through the comment section. Shall we take a look at some altcoins? Stefan, hi Andy. I don't know if you use USDT dominance as part of your TA, but we reached 0.618 retracement with perfection from the peak we had on June. So let's take a look at the USDT dominance. Why not? Why not? Let's take a look at the USDT dominance. Yeah. Do you know what this means? Do you know it's hit to perfection, that 618 level, okay, from the peak of June to the lows here in August? Absolutely. Do you know what does it mean if the USDT dominance, which is currently at 7.5%, corrects all the way down to 6%? Do you know what this means? Yeah, this means that money is flowing into cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, altcoins, you name it. So yeah, 1-2% move on the USDT dominance would be a relatively big move. I mean, it's not huge. 68 billion, so it would be definitely a few billion there. Yeah, 1% is 60. No, 12, about 12 billion. No, yeah, sorry, no, mistaken, not 12 billion. 71% would be, yeah, a few billion. It would be a few billion. Hang on 1 second. I'm getting all of this wrong. What would be this to here? 27%. Sorry, if we were to come down to test these lows, 27%. I mean, it's not guaranteed that this is going to happen, but overall, it is a possibility. It's in a big uptrend. USDT dominance. It is possible to come down here to test the lows after hitting the 618. This means that money, US Tether, will be flowing into crypto. Simple as. And if that is from this high to the low, a 25% move, well, yeah, 25% out of 68 billion is, I mean, you do the math, it's just about 17 billion. So $17 billion moving into cryptos. Probably won't move much Bitcoin or Ethereum, but definitely some altcoins. Right, just getting here. Like button crushed. Father Time 79. Need to catch up. BTC USDT check, please. Yeah. Wow, it's breaking through. Let's see if we do get that swing failure or not. For the moment, hey, it's looking bullish. Let's see what happens. Ooh. That long is paying off. That long from yesterday is paying off. Inverse head and shoulder on the 4 hourly. Okay, let's take a look at that. Why not? Make sure to put your analysis down below. We can check it out, guys. Let's take a look at this right away. Inverse head and shoulder on the 4 hourly. Oh, I cannot see anything here. If we zoom in here on the 4 hourly with this kind of price action, it's not the best looking inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, I guess you're looking at something like this, right? I mean, this is the only thing that I do see right there. It's not the most beautiful. But yeah, if we do solidly break above, you know, by tonight, the 19,000, you know, $700, $800 range, I want to see a nice candlestick today to closing well above this range. Hey, if this does happen, ooh, yeah, you can almost be, it will almost be for sure that we are going to hit 20,300, 400 range. You know, these highs taken with a large candle close above, yeah, you know, we will likely to hit the 20,300, 400 range. Let's see what happens, guys. We could still get heavily rejected here. Maybe a lot of people are going to start longing right now, getting a little bit of FOMO, get some long trapped positions, and then get a massive dump. Let's see. You know, I will analyze the situation. Like I said, you know, we're hitting a resistance level. I'm looking for shorts, but I'm not shorting, guys. You know, I said I might short live only if we see exhaustion here. And, you know, a lot of people are shorting at this level. We might see a massive short squeeze, you know. I mean, the liquidation above these highs is just getting grabbed right now from all of those short positions. Over leveraged short positions at this range already getting stopped out, so this could continue. How many hours from now the daily candle will be closed? Well, let me just tell you right away. It's 2 o'clock in the morning Central European time, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just zoom in here. A good way to know is with the SVP, the session volume profile. It tells you when we have the open and close of every candle. So it would be at 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning, which is six is going to be 6 o'clock here now. It's just in about 7 hours. 7 hours left for the daily close. Still a long time, guys. We could still have a lot of volatility at this range if we start seeing this closing back below 19,700. It's not going to be looking good. Then will be the moment that I'm going to say, ooh, this is getting exhausted. I am looking for shorts. Looking for shorts. With this big massive candlestick, shorting here, no way, Jose. No way, Jose. No shorts taken here just yet. Exhaustion, rejection, acceptance back below 19,700. Bang, bang, bang. Short here? Yes, absolutely. Tight stop loss also. I think it will make a double top formation and then bang to the downside. Well, so far this is looking like a beast. Yeah, no double top here. I mean, this could reject in the next 7 minutes. We got 7 minutes for this hourly candle close. We've seen it before. We've seen it here. I mean, look at this. Look at this 1 hourly. This did look like a beast to the downside. What happened? We got rejection. I jumped into a long position. Yes. If it does happen, the same scenario, I will be jumping into a short. You know, this was a massive candlestick hitting 19,600. It closed above, just slightly below 18,900. It was almost a $300 pump in just a matter of minutes here on this 1 hourly candle. Same thing can happen here. If it starts closing above, yeah, it's still going to be looking pretty bullish. My next step for a short position would be if it closes a 1 hourly candle like this, where we're currently at, or slightly higher. My next scenario for a short position, what will it be? It would be a double top scenario. Exhaustion from this breakout. Then I would consider entering a short. Yeah, that would be the next thing. If it closes this 1 hourly above these highs, I just see strength. Till I do not see the strength getting exhausted with a double top, triple top swing failure scenario from this level, I will not short. You want to short here? Yeah, there's you're shorting an aggressive pump. So news today was consumers report bad for DXY. I actually did not take a look at the news today. So yeah, consumers. Okay, so we did get that news. I was not aware of the news today. What I do know is that we got news, important news, on the first. Is it interest rate decision? GDP growth. This is on. We got GDP growth. We got October 27th. That is pretty good news that we will see some volatility on the 27th of October. And interest rate decision is on the 2nd, I think, 1st or 2nd of November. 2nd of November, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Fed interest rate decision, 2nd of November will be an interesting day of volatility. Right, let's scroll down, take a look. DXY is dumping, yes. Is it dumping pretty hard? Are we seeing the DXY dumping relatively hard, guys? I mean, this has had a pretty aggressive drop below this support level. We were bouncing. I was looking for a drop here on yesterday's live stream and potentially a fake out. So I would be very, very cautious. If DXY starts getting support at this range in a double bottom scenario, I'm thinking, wow, this is likely gonna come back into the channel and it's just gonna be another higher low. It's gonna be a fake breakdown. We're not breaking below the 110, which is for me the level to be a little bit more bearish for continuation to the downside. This could still be another higher low and a kind of a fake out movement to the downside. Forming a bearish divergence in the 4 hourly for VTC. Bearish divergence. Okay. 4 hourly divergence, bearish, bullish. Yeah, not too fanatical with the RSI. Thanks, man. Eric, you're welcome. BTC rocketing, you got that right. Hey, whoop. We got 3 minutes for this 1 hourly candle. If it closes below $19,690, it's gonna be. It might be the moment, guys. It might be the moment. So far, if it closes above, yeah, still not looking for shorts. Still not looking for shorts, guys. Only long position. I mean, from yesterday. Oh, come on. I mean, that looks good. Don't tell me it does not look good. That looks good.
Take profit 3.
Ooh, that looks good. 19,600. Take profit 3. There you have it. Long position from 19,200, $300 range. Absolutely phenomenal, guys. Yesterday was spot on. So yeah, I'm only trading Bitcoin basically. For the moment, I want to trade S&P, but I'm just happy by only trading Bitcoin. You only need one market to make, pretty nice gains at the end of the month. I just don't want to get dizzy with altcoins, and I know altcoins can give you, better trades. The percentage moves are much better, but it's also more volatile. And I have good risk management. And what happens with good, very, very good tight risk management? Then with altcoins, it's just a hard market. So I'm just happy enough to trade with BTC. And I think you guys also, we only need one market to make some pretty nice gains. But yeah, I want to start trading again S&P 500. I'm just too focused on Bitcoin. The deal, guys. On PrimeXBT is the trading platform for me to trade with crypto. Because, yeah, I used to use interactive brokers back in 2017. They wanted to know where I lived, who was my wife, what's my dad's name, bank account. And I'm thinking, get out of here. I'm not, too much information. And now PrimeXBT has opened the doors to trade stock market, forex, oil, gold, natural gas, you name it, by using cryptocurrency. We're using stable coins or Bitcoin. I use Bitcoin in this platform. And wow, absolutely phenomenal. This goes directly to my Ledger Nano. It does not go to my bank account for the tax man. No way. Jose. But you got insane bonuses down below, guys, if you want to take advantage on Bybit and on PrimeXBT. It's another way to support the channel, of course, okay? You do have, Bybit up to $4,380 worth of bonus to be claimed at the rewards hub. And on PrimeXBT, $7,000. It's 7% added to your deposit, okay? So you deposit $10,000, you're getting $700 on top of that for your buying power with Bitcoinsensus 50 as a promotion code. I got full video tutorials on Bybit and PrimeXBT down below in the description, guys. If you don't have experience trading, do not use the links, guys. It's for experienced traders, trading is extremely risky. So so let's take a look. I just joined. Love your TA, says Crypto. I hear that Spanish prison have really got Wi-Fi though. Andy in Census. Here we go, Taxman. Just tuned. Just tuned in. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is the thing. The future is here, right? The future is here. Seb. Like Crypto Spain says. We've got following some guy from in Spain here about crypto tax. Absolutely insane. He's phenomenal. BTC not stopping. Why isn't Bitcoin not stopping? It's pumping like crazy. Okay, we've got the 1 hourly close above the range. Swing failure has failed. Not looking for shorts yet. Still happy to ride the long positions from the $19,200 range. Still happy to hold some longs. No shorts yet. Yeah, still pumping. No signs of exhaustion just yet. So bring it on. That's bullish, right? Double bottom. Double bottom where? Ooh. What should I do next, Andy? I will never say what you need to do next. I'm in long from yesterday. Hey, take profits. Make sure to take profits. I've got my trading, patterns and skills very, very lined up here. It was pretty clear if you were longing from this range, you take profit at 618, at C point and at A point. These are take profit ranges. If you can afford to have some position open still and protected, why not have it? Have 20%, 30%. This is what I am having right now open. Why not ride some of this free trade? It's protected. But overall, I've taken profits. I have taken profits and I'm taking profits on the way up, guys. Pay yourself. Don't get greedy. So yeah, double top, says Christian Schilber. Where is that double top? Where is the double top? On what asset? On Bitcoin? Overall, I do not see any double top right there. This is going to be the moment. If we start range trading here, getting a little bit of exhaustion, there will be the debate of, is it a bull flag and we're going to have a leg up, or is it exhaustion and it's not a successful breakout? Well, I know today's daily candle is going to be very important, guys, and I've explained that before. Today's daily candle close, and if it closes right over here at this range, this is looking bullish. Not saying that we cannot retrace. Of course we can retrace, but overall, daily level here at 19,550. We talked about this for the last few days. Most importantly, getting above this range and closing a daily candle We could get heavily rejected. We've still got 7 hours for the daily close. So unless we see this daily candle close here around about this range, I'm happy enough to see this to go to higher levels, to even 20,300, 400 in the next coming days. Yeah, the most important daily levels, 19,040, which was this one here. Look how many daily candle closes and opens. We need a daily candle close below the range for continuation to the downside. Right now, our most important one was the 19,550. If we close this above the range, this is going to be looking good. I'll be potentially longing the retracement tomorrow again if this does happen, or depending on what happens. I want to see exhaustion at this range to short. No exhaustion, no double top, getting accepted back into the range below these highs, no short taken. I'm only in that long trade on Bitcoin. All RSIs are above 75. Okay, let's get the RSI. Yeah, we could have a retracement. I've seen RSI go through the roof. I mean, this is a very, very poor indicator. You know, if you are trading based off RSI, then yeah, you're basically in big trouble in the long run. RSI is a very, very poor indicator. Let's take a look at the RSI on the lower time frames just for fun, right? Because I don't even use them anymore. I can tell you where there's divergence without using the RSI. So we got 1 hourly, 15 minute, of course, 1 hourly, 4 hourly. 4 hourly is just there, it's below 70. A correction is possible, is likely, not gonna lie. But overall, we do not use RSI here to make successful trades. There's no overbought if the market pumps hard. I mean, this is the thing, you know, this could go through the roof. I've seen RSIs go to 200 and not even see the RSI. No, only joking, but it doesn't matter. It can still continue going up. Right. Catalyst. Hello, Andy. What do you think of open interest indicator? Thanks. Yeah, this all good. Open interest, Delta, they're all good. I don't use them much. I mean, I do have XO chart. There's some other ones as well that you can get this data. Okay, there's multiple ones. I do use them, but not much. I thought I would be using them more to get that information, you know, the Delta, open interest, and, you know, take a look at the information inside of the candle. It is very, very helpful to see, you know, the divergence and, you know, if there's a lot of people longing at the highs, you know, to get those trap longs. I mean, it does help. But for my type of trading, it's not needed. You know, my number one indicator is risk management, guys. Is risk management. You can be a crappy technical analyst and make money trading. If you short it, what will be your target? That is a very, very interesting question. So yeah, we need to have our stop loss and our target. Sometimes I don't have a take profit target. I like to take profit while we're going down or up. I'm very good to know where my stop loss is always going in validation points, but in this case, for a take profit, if I do short here, I mean, these lows over here are likely to be claimed at the 19,200. Yeah, my take profit would be the point of control basically again. So if we do take a look, let's go to the 30 minutes. If we were to get exhaustion at this level, right? And if I do manage to get into a nice short position with a tight stop loss, overall, I would be looking for the last higher low range, which would be this one right there. So that would be a take profit zone. If I am in profit and we move down, I will instantly protect position straight away. Would be looking for lower. If I get stopped out with a wick to the upside, or maybe price action to the upside, but if I do get stopped out and we do still have another swing failure, exhaustion, momentum, kind of double top scenario, there will be time to re-enter a long. Overall, if this does happen, this will be more bearish. This would be insanely bearish. So this would be a must short if we do get a double top scenario here. Batman pattern. Yeah, definitely would look for a short then and aim for the lows here. Aim for these lows below 19,300, where we'd be having a lot of liquidity, of course, the last higher low. So yeah, that would be my target. Yeah, let's see, guys. The next coming hours are going to be crucial. We got a good daily close today. If it does manage to close above 19,550, it's going to be absolutely insane. If we do consolidate, get exhaustion, you know, I will be looking for those shorts. Obviously, this night below 19,300, we also got the point of control. So this is a must take profit. You could get another bounce from that level. Point of control 19,200, 300 range. You know, if the price does get exhausted, come down, up again or something like this, this is going to be insanely bearish price action if we start making this kind of price action, okay? What is likely, of course, you know, you are creating higher lows right there. You know, exhaustion, come down, lower highs, woof. I'll be going live for a short here. You know, this would probably be tomorrow. If we're still range trading at this range, oh, guys, we'll be looking for shorts, no doubt. Possibly entering a short live, maybe before, maybe after, I don't know. I would like to short live, of course, for the purpose of the live stream. But I would be looking for this scenario. Then what we're looking at here is kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, ABC correction coming back down to the first wave or the fourth wave low, you know, for that liquidity grab, point of control. This is only if we get this price action over here, the exhaustion momentum. This could still, you know, pump. It could happen. I think it's unlikely. I think the most likely scenario would be getting that exhaustion here at this range. Let's see what happens. Are you in a long? Yes, sir. For slang. In a long since yesterday. Check out yesterday's live stream. Of course I'm in a long. We were in a long on yesterday's live stream. You didn't watch yesterday's live stream. I do get a lot of people. I check my views. A lot of people jump in and out. People get bored. It is what it is. You know, a lot of people not going to stay. But whoever stayed on yesterday's live stream did see that this level 19,200, 300 range got the bounce from the technical analysis, from the Gartley, from the point of control. It was a beautiful long range right over here. So yeah, in that long position here on Bybit, of course, taking profits on the way up, having a small position open. Why not? Why not have a small position? What if we do go to 20,500? Let's ride the rest of this long. But overall, yeah, we're getting a little bit of a correction right now. Let's see how we react at this range. We've got these highs. If we start getting acceptance back below 19,700 and then a lower high and this choppy action, oh, we are likely going to be looking for shorts because we could see this kind of an ABC correction breaking higher low structure and coming back down to the point of control at 19,200. Claiming the lows, a lot of liquidity right now at this range. If you are longing, take profits. If you're longing, take profits. People that longed at this range are taking profits. And also are potentially looking to short this level. Andy, I never bored from your live. Love you, man. Game Pro, thank you very much. Missed the live stream yesterday. Okay, well, I mean, next scenario for me is the next coming hours before the daily close are absolutely crucial. Let's see what kind of, are we going to have exhaustion here in the next few hours? If we do, hey, this might be a good shorting level. You know, if for me it's simple. Exhaustion in the next coming hours, stop loss above the high. You know, this could still continue pumping. You know, this is not enough exhaustion for me. You know, we're only just at the level. We are closing 1 hourly above this high. 15-minute, 1 hourly candles. Hey, no signs of exhaustion just yet. Let's wait. I want to see another attempt. Acceptance below the 19,700. Back up, getting exhausted. Hey, there will be time to enter a short here with a tight stop loss. Overall, this long position is paying off. You know, if I am in a stop loss like this, you know, hey, this long is already paying off, you know, several stop losses. You know, I can get stopped out 5 times because of yesterday's long trade. And this is what we're looking at here in trading. Solana went crazy. Do you use Elliott Wave? Well, yeah, I mean, kind of using Elliott Wave on some. Algorand was a really nice long at the 30-cent level. I mean, I got Elliott Wave count here on Algorand. I think Algorand is basically bottomed out at this 30-cent range, you know, below 30 cents. I don't think it's going to go below 20 cents. I don't think Algorand will go below 20 cents, in my personal opinion. Let's take a look at what crypto was this. Solana. Did Solana go crazy? What happened to Solana? Did it? So it tested the lows, kind of the lows. It's just hitting a resistance level. Solana had some pretty nice pumpy action. It's probably going to be looking good. If it does manage to get above successfully today, tomorrow, above $30, hey, it's a massive support level. If we have a massive candlestick like this, if it does have any type of retracement, it is likely to create a higher low for continuation to the upside. We can check that out yesterday. Hey, it's also a resistance level. It can get heavily rejected, all depending on what Bitcoin does. So I wouldn't get extremely excited. It is just trying to break out here this resistance level. This could easily be a fake out in the next coming hours. Not a moment to be excited. Big opportunities this week, guys. Big opportunities. Right, so a great story. Entered PrimeXBT with your link, activated the $10 KYC bonus, then activated the Bitcoinsensus 50 bonus and lost the $10 because of this. But that doesn't make sense. I mean, you need to make the deposit or even use the 7%. Despite the fact that I made a mistake, the broker corrected my mistake and I got back the $10 in addition to the 7% I got because of your code. PrimeXBT is really cool. Okay, Redland, I was getting a little bit worried and I wanted to sort you out here with the exchange. Hey, PrimeXBT is extremely cool. The fees in crypto are, in my opinion, a bit expensive. If you want to swing trade with crypto, I prefer Bybit 1,000 times more because, you know, it's a little bit expensive here. But for traditional stocks, PrimeXBT, wow, I've had trade opened on S&P 500 for a couple of weeks and the fees are really, really low. You can check the fees on the platform, of course. You know, they're really, really competitive fees for Forex, gold, natural gas, you know, traditional stocks, NASDAQ, Dow Jones. For crypto, they are a little bit high. But this is why I use Bybit for crypto. I use Bybit. Bybit fees are really, really low. PrimeXBT, if you want to trade S&P 500, Dow Jones, or, you know, oil, all of these different markets, using US dollar tether or US dollar coin as collateral, or you can use Bitcoin or Ethereum It's an absolutely insane platform, you know. So yeah, I'm glad that you got your 7%. It's pretty simple. You just go to the your promo code section on the main here tab, and you enter promo code Bitcoinsensus 50, and you're getting 7% added to your deposit. Okay, up to 7,000. You know, you don't get 7,000 unless you deposit $100,000, and then with this code you're getting $7,000 on top for trading bonus. For trading, you can withdraw the profits, but not the bonus, of course. But anyway, that said, I have both tutorials on Bybit and PrimeXBT down below for any people that are learning. If you're not experienced, do not use the links, do not trade. You will likely lose money. I lost a lot of money the first couple of years of trading. It's inevitable. It's inevitable. I hope this bull run finally starts, says Huffy, so we can all have a good and rich Christmas. Huffy, yes, absolutely. I do see some altcoins pumping. You know, Unibright did get a pretty nice pump. That's another one that I am accumulating. It's, you know, it's been pumping pretty nicely. I'm really bullish on this one. It's blockchain for enterprise. I think this one, you know, is a really good project. This is so much an accumulation zone. I've been talking about, you know, if you bought some of the cryptos that we've talked about, you know, for the last few weeks, good projects, of course, that look like that it's bottoming out. You know, we can take a look at Metis. We can take a look at Saito. For me, these are very good projects. Look at Saito. You know, Saito was trading at, you know, below 1 cent. It went all the way almost to 2 cents. So you got a 2x right there. You can get your money. You know, this is signs of bottoming out. The selling pressure has gone. You got Saito here. Bang, double bottom. This is sideways action. This is lightly going to pump. We've got Metis. Only the good projects. You might see this on other projects and it's still going down, but we only take a look at solid projects. I mean, Metis, phenomenal. Sideways action. I think there's another great opportunity here on Metis. It went all the way down to $15. I was already buying some Metis here at this range. This is for the long run. Hey, I'm not saying this cannot come down, but yeah, you get the point. You know, this for me is a buying zone, and you know, you don't want to buy here on the massive pump. Absolutely not. You want to buy here. Will it go lower? Maybe yes, but it's time to buy. It's time to start buying good projects. I'm buying. I want to think they are good projects. Metis, Saito, Unibright. I lose 100 a month. Hey, Matthew. Look at this, guys. These are the comments I like to absolutely love reading. I got Matthew here saying, just closed my long with 108% profit. Thank you, Andy. Great call yesterday. Yes. Thank you very much for watching the stream and appreciating the analysis. And hey, don't get me wrong. I will be wrong many times as well. When I am wrong, I want to lose as less money as I can possible, okay? What do you think about Theta? Hey, Theta is an insane project. Decentralized live streaming, massive tokenomics. This one's going to be an absolute beast. This one will reach all-time high at some point in the future, in my opinion. Can it collapse? Also, yeah. But this one is definitely going to the all-time highs here at $16, $17, in my personal opinion. This is a very, very cool project. Decentralization for me is the future. We are heading that way. Once the government's world, all this mess continues, you know, people are going to start realizing that we want decentralized everything, decentralized live streaming, decentralized this, that. Of course, it's, what can I say? Theta is, you know, on the top for decentralized live streaming, and tokenomics are absolutely insane. So when we have this sideways price action, yeah, this is, for me, a really nice opportunity. Going sideways for the last 5 months, definitely worth an accumulation. I think this one is a very, very good project. But of course, do your own research. I'm not telling anyone here what to buy, what to sell. So yeah, but it is a good project. Yeah, I lose 100% a month too. Absolutely mental. Hey, well, this is why we need to have very good risk management. A lot of people, I sometimes trade with a few $100s, despite having whatever kind of account, okay? Most importantly, we need to have consistency. We need to have good risk management. If you take a look at the videos from the last few weeks, risk management and profits have been absolutely crazy. I think I must have had almost a 100. I actually haven't got stopped out on any position. So I've had a 100% win rate since the 15th of October. You can check the videos. I'm really transparent with the positions that I'm open and closing. So, yeah, obviously this information is going to get much better on the private Discord. Private Discord will be created, in the next coming weeks, to absolutely destroy it, guys. Make massive big trades. We need more haters here. Why doesn't anyone hate this man? says Seb. Thank you very much for the insane support, my man. I got Seb and Racing Pixel here, always giving support. Thank you, guys. I lost a lot of money in OP. Now I'm happy with this profit. Raf, phenomenal. Really glad to see this. Thumbs up for Andy. Smash the like button, says Bruno. 700 people. Guys, absolutely destroy the like button, for the stream. Not much to add here, guys. I'm just waiting for exhaustion on Bitcoin. DXY looks pretty. S&P 500 still pumping. S&P 500 still pumping. I think 3,900 points on S&P is very possible. DXY breaking a major support level. So, I'm just waiting for that exhaustion. If DXY at this moment, is going to kind of create a pumpy action, come back down, test the lows. If the lows are not broken, wow, this is going to be insane, guys. This is going to be looking for shorts on Bitcoin. This will likely recover and continue back up. There is massive speculation that the Federal Reserve is going to start getting the hikes down to 50 basis points, 25 basis points by February. I have a feeling that this Q1 of 2023 is going to be bullish, despite all of this bearishness out there. Get fit with Neha. You're epic, Andy. Thank you very much. People should love their king, says GamePro. Thank you very much for those kind words. I haven't actually got much haters. Not many haters, which is, I'm not sure if this is good or bad. I know a lot of people that have a lot of haters and have a lot of views, likes and follows. So maybe it's time to do bad prediction calls so people can laugh and people can hate and probably get more followers and likes then. What do you guys think about that? Yeah, but Jan, this is a vicious cycle. When I predict a trade correctly, I don't enter because I am not sure. And when I enter, I don't predict correctly. This has happened to everyone, every single time. If you do not enter, you are scared of losing that money. The risk management is the number one thing, guys. I cannot stress it enough. It's on my course, it's going to be the number one section. Then we'll do technical analysis but risk management is so important. I jump into trades, with good risk management, and I'm like, I don't care if it gets stopped out, because risk to reward ratio is usually, 2, 3, 4, 5 times more of what I'm risking. So, never more than 3%. My trades are usually less than 1%, but yeah, trying to make 1-2% of my capital. One thing I've learned during the last couple of years is the risk management, and that's helped so much with my trading. Woo, pump my bag, says Jim. I wish Russia had a press conference and told everyone, okay, we give up. That would be a pump event you never seen. Maybe yes. I would think so also. Lee James says, just talk XRP or ADA and you will get haters. I know there's a lot of haters on different cryptocurrencies. Andy, you can't be hated, hermano. Imposible. Guys, yeah, thank you very much. You guys are insane. I know there's a lot of hate on Kasta, guys, but Kasta will be insane. I gotta say it. You know, I do defend this project, of course. I do have the application. They also got the Kasta staking. You get 8% APY. There are big things coming for Kasta, I'll tell you that. And it's got a working product right now. You can send crypto for free and instant. Bitcoin to Bitcoin, Ethereum to Ethereum. If it's the same pair, they got the easy swap. So you can send Bitcoin to your friend. If you have your contact on of your friend and you sending Ethereum and he wants to receive Bitcoin, you can change it on the easy swap engine. Super easy, friendly application that is working at this moment, guys. And big things are coming. So I just got good things to talk about this. But this one got a huge amount of hate. This is a scam. This is the rest of it. This is definitely not a scam, guys. And this will be a massive working project in the next coming months, especially in the bull run. You know, the marketing and the companies that will be using this in the future potentially is going to be huge. So I just got one thing to say. You can download the application right now on Kasta. Down below in the description, you get 200 Kasta tokens by depositing $20. These Kasta tokens will be locked, of course, for a short period of time. You can stake them. So check out, guys, Kasta right now. You can stake your Kasta tokens and stake other cryptocurrencies to get 8% APY on Kasta tokens. So, I mean, there you go. I had to throw that out. But I did get Telegram messages. When is Kasta app launching? This, that. This is a scam, blah, blah, blah. You know, we know, especially in a bear market, I mean, there's going to build up a lot of hate. It's absolutely normal. But Casta la vista, baby. You got that right. You know, there's a lot of people bullish on Luna. Luna's the future. Luna this, Luna that. Hey. Luna is more of a scam, right? I know this is not, guys. Anyway, you got the application download for free. You can send crypto to crypto if it's the same pair, cryptocurrency, instant and for free, guys. Test it out. It's absolutely crazy. Where can you send crypto for free and instant? Bitcoin to Bitcoin. You know, I don't know anything, and you can do it with Kasta, so you can test it out. So if that is a scam, well, yeah, we got the whole thing wrong, guys. We got the whole thing wrong. Kasta mega scam. There we go. We got some bad comments right now. It is not, guys. It is not. It's just the way it has been developed. You know, there's a lot of hate on it. So I lost 70% of my portfolio with the Luna crash. Wow, the world. I'm really sorry. I never held Luna tokens. But yeah, I'm extremely sorry. Luna Classic was a complete scam. Rug pull. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately it was. So now I want Kasta, said One Byte. Where are you buying these coins on? What coins? What coins? We love you, Andy, no matter what. Screw the tax guy. Absolutely, guys. Hey, that day that we were talking about taxing on crypto, you know, I got so many people asking me tax this, tax. I'm following some guy in Spain here who's an absolute machine about taxing, and you know, he said, hey, the future is here. You know, you can you decide what you pay intact with the crypto. I'm sorry, I gotta say it. You decide. So yeah, the world is going broke. Who wants some ape coin? Says Bruno. So yeah. Bear trend not over yet, says Super Nix. Maybe not. You know, but I got something for all of those people that saying bear trap, bull trap. This is a bull trap. Hey, guess what? We're long in the bull trap. We're long in the bull trap from 19,200 and below 19,300. This is a bull trap. Hey, I will long the bull trap and I will short the bear trap. We need to get on the side of the manipulation, right? Bull trap or bear trap, let's trade it. BTC again under 18k. Maybe not today. Maybe not today. We will look for that. My next major trade scenario, if we do get exhaustion here at this range and get acceptance below these highs again. Oh, that is going to be the shorting. That's going to be my shorting call, guys. Why would I short this? There is no reason for me to short this right now. We're closing hourly candles above the highs. We're still pumping. I want to see a multiple hour exhaustion. Then I'm going to say, hey, it's not going up anymore. It's getting exhaustion. So we're probably going to get that rejection, especially if we do get below here. I got my dog scratching the dog right now at the moment. So it's time for walkies for the dog. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Hopefully, when would you think about shorting Andy? Said Jim. Well, I've just explained right now that situation. If we do not, if we do still continue pumping, I mean, there's another high over here that can get a rejection, 19,930. But I think, there's not much resistance right at this range. I think, 20, if we do start pumping, if we do continue pumping to 19.9, I do see potentially in the next coming days hitting 20,300. This would be my next shorting range. Why? It's just a big resistance. It's a big daily level. Look how many times, I think it is the value area high. Even. Is it the value area high? Let me just check here with the fixed range. Yeah, it's the value area high also from the trading range, in between September and October. Got the value area high range, big resistance, daily level, 20,300, 400 would be my next big major level for a short. If we do not get exhaustion at this level, we'll be probably hitting that level and getting exhausted right over here. Now, yeah, that would be an insane short if it gets exhaustion. No exhaustion, no signs of exhaustion. Yeah, I'm not shorting. Happy to hold on my long position here. Yeah, let's see the next coming hours, guys. I'm waiting for this range to get exhausted. If it does, I will consider a shorting and having tight stop loss above the wick. But I will be very, very patient to see what kind of exhaustion we do have. Beagle Inu, I have a beagle puppy. Yes, very nice. They're insane dogs. I got a beagle also. Yeah. Thanks, Andy. Appreciate your thoughts. Ethereum at resistance, short opportunity. Well, in the 1,400 range, we know it is resistance. We've also got the low high trend line here, just hitting that resistance zone. Yeah. What can I say? What can I say? Yeah, it can be a short, but yeah, I mean, I'm not shorting Bitcoin. DXY is still falling. It's getting a little bit of bounce right now. S&P pumping. It can pump to 3,900, even 4,000 points in my opinion. So it's still trending up. I'm not yet looking for shorts just yet. So yeah, not shorting. Guys, thank you very much for joining the live stream. You know the deal. Tomorrow we are going to be banging, also buzzing. We are pumping. Happy to ride the long. Not looking for shorts yet. I want a sign of exhaustion on the Bitcoin price here at this level. Or at the S&P 500, I do see some more bumpy action on S&P, potentially 40, 50 points pump before the end of the day. I do see that happening. Not much resistance above us just yet. So DXY still on the fall. So hey, why look for shorts just yet? Let's wait for exhaustion. Let's wait for a sign of exhaustion to get into those trades. Guys, thank you very much for joining. Tomorrow, another live stream like always. Check out the links down below if you are interested in getting some bonuses. Bybit, $4,380 can be claimed at the Rewards Hub. My favorite trading platform for trading crypto. And S&P 500, Dow Jones, oil, natural gas, all of these different assets, Prime XBT, you use crypto as collateral, which is phenomenal. Stable coins, 7% added to your initial deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. It's an insane platform. You know, I'm only going to talk about the platforms that I use and I think are the best. If not, we're not talking about them. Links down below, guys, for the insane bonuses. Check out Kasta app, guys. You can send crypto for free if it's the same pair, if it's the same cryptocurrency. If not, you miss out on that. Do whatever you want at the end of the day. Thank you guys for joining the live stream, and I will see you tomorrow.